Cute baby farm animals. Foal. Baby horses, known as foals, can stand up right after birth. This ability helps them escape from dangers. Foals are usually playful and energetic. Puppy. Puppies are born with their eyes closed and start to see after about 2 weeks. They are incredibly adorable and love to play with their owners. Cria. Baby llamas, called crias, are usually calm and social. With their soft and fluffy fur, they quickly capture everyone's attention. Squab. Pigeon chicks are kept in the nest and are fed a special diet called pigeon milk by their parents. Kitten. Kittens are tiny and mischievous. They are born with blue eyes, which may change color as they grow. Kit. Baby rabbits, known as kits, are born without fur and are completely dependent on their mother during the first few days of life. Lamb. Lambs are very playful and full of energy. With their soft wool, they are one of the symbols of childhood and gentleness in farms. Chick. Ostrich chicks with their long legs and quick movements, are fascinating to watch. They grow rapidly and soon resemble their parents. Chick. Quail chicks are tiny and very quick. They can easily hide in small spaces around them. Calf. Camel calves are born with long legs and soft, fluffy coats. They are usually highly dependent on their mothers and grow quickly.
Saudi Arabia. Assalamu alaikum.
Sand and crias on CJ from Rome Street land in the heinous.
Chick. Partridge chicks are adorable with their soft feathers and spotted patterns. They stick close to their mother from the start. Piglet. Piglets are lively and playful. They love rolling in the mud and grow rapidly. Poult. Turkey poults capture everyone's attention with their unique sounds and amusing movements. They are highly social within their group. Gosling. Goslings are small and fluffy, and their group movements are always a delightful sight. Duckling. Ducklings, with their soft yellow feathers, are incredibly cute. They love swimming in water from an early age. donkey foals, with their large ears and friendly demeanor, win everyone's hearts. They are usually calm and playful. Kid. Baby goats, called kids, are energetic and playful. They love climbing on high spots. Calf. Calves, with their big eyes and calm behavior, are very lovable. They usually grow faster than expected. Chick. Budgerigar. Chicks are tiny and delicate, and they are carefully nurtured by their parents in the nest.